So you're investing in crypto? You're not the only one. Millions of people around the world are doing just that. But one thing that most of you have in common is inexperience. In fact, 90% of new investors do not understand cryptocurrencies very well or not at all. And this is why I put together a list of tips for first-time crypto investors. Actually, it's not even just first-time buyers that make the same mistakes over and over again that result in big losses while others are making millions at the same time. What can you do to become a successful crypto investor? Take the time to watch this till the end and consider the following 10 rules that I established through my own experience and very successful crypto journey. I've been a crypto analyst and investor since 2016 and I made millions in my first year of trading crypto, which you can call luck, but I did learn a lot in my 7 years in this space. So let me point out the key things that you should consider when investing in crypto. First off, cryptocurrencies are volatile assets and their prices can fluctuate wildly. So you could potentially lose all of your investment if you don't choose wisely. This is why doing your research is crucial, guys. You should understand the technology behind the cryptocurrency that you're investing in. What problem does it solve, if any? Ever since the invention of Bitcoin, there's been a lot of innovation in this space. There are more than 20,000 cryptocurrencies today, and of course, not all of them are worth your penny. Some projects offer solutions and real-world use cases, while others are simply there to make noise or even just for fun, like meme coins. Don't invest in something that doesn't have a potential for longevity. That's a gamble. Being aware of all of the risks and making the right choice is crucial to a successful investment, which leads me to the next point. Research, research, research. Make sure you research the project very well and the team behind it too. Remember, every cryptocurrency is essentially a startup, so if the team isn't properly managed, the whole project can fall apart. Many teams have little experience in the space and there are very few individuals today with extensive knowledge. There are plenty of examples of poorly developed cryptos that make a big splash at the beginning, but soon after they fail because their developers don't agree on what direction to follow. Some teams are even pure scammers, so don't ignore the importance of the development team and also the community. In crypto, having built a strong community is the backbone to staying relevant and successful. Some projects are thriving purely due to their community support, and these are the ones that you want to pay attention to. Also, a very important point, cryptocurrencies are high-risk investment and you should only invest money that you can afford to lose. Many people make that mistake. Don't invest money that you need for other expenses, such as your rent or mortgage. Don't take loans from the bank or worse, from friends, because this is not money that can be used for risk-on assets. If the market turns down after you enter, you will be feeling the pressure, and many people sell at a loss when they can't afford to wait for the next cycle. Using capital allocated for risk will help you prevent premature sell-offs and ultimately will give you the peace of mind to exclude all emotions from your trading or investing. The most important part for any successful investment is to not use any emotions. And when you're ready to buy cryptocurrencies, make sure to use a reputable exchange. There are many scams out there, so it's important to, again, do your research and choose an exchange that is safe and secure. Another reason to be careful about the exchanges is liquidity. You can buy and sell on the fly and markets run 24/7. This allows you to react quickly when there are market fluctuations, so choosing an exchange with a lot of liquidity is essential. You will find my top 5 exchanges for trading cryptocurrencies here, so take the time to check them out. Once you have purchased cryptocurrencies, it is important to store them safely. You can store your cryptocurrencies on an exchange, but This is not always the safest option. In fact, rarely it is safe. You may want to consider storing your cryptocurrencies in a cold wallet, which is a hardware device that stores your cryptocurrencies offline. I have reviewed every popular crypto wallet out there, and you will find my reviews on my website crypto-corner.com and on this channel, of course. You can choose a hot wallet like a mobile phone app for short-term holdings, but for the long-term investments, definitely a cold wallet is the way to go. Also, don't put all of your eggs in one basket. You've heard that many times, right? If you decide to invest in cryptocurrencies, make sure to diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of different coins rather than go too heavy on one. This will help you to reduce your risk if the value of just one cryptocurrency drops. I often share my top picks of altcoins that I'm adding to or removing from my portfolio, so make sure that you are following this channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. You will find links to the top wallets that I use and that I recommend to you in the description below, so make sure to check them out. The cryptocurrency market is volatile and the prices of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate wildly, so don't panic if the value of your investment drops. Cryptocurrency markets are particularly prone to volatility due to their decentralized nature and lack of regulation. This means that the market is largely driven by speculation and sentiment rather than tangible fundamentals. As a result, cryptocurrencies can experience sudden price swings that are much larger than those seen in more traditional investments like stock or bonds. To mitigate the risks of market volatility, it's important to have a solid understanding of the underlying technology and potential use cases for the cryptocurrency that you're invested in. It's also important to remember that investing in cryptocurrencies should be approached as a long-term strategy rather than a get-rich-quick scheme. While there is a potential for significant gains, there is also significant risk involved, and investors should be prepared to weather the periods of market volatility and uncertainty. Which leads us to the next point, which is patience. There are many examples of new tokens that pump suddenly and rise very fast, making thousands of percentage point gains, but these are usually short-lived and very much like gambling. The most reliable crypto projects are the ones in the top 20 by market capitalization, and these will bring you more conservative profit over time. It may even take years for your investments to pay off, especially if you happen to jump in at a time of peaks. Many people get into this market after they see big market moves, after prices have been jumping by hundreds of percentage points. Statistics show that during peak times, when prices reach new highs, the public interest is at its highest. People who buy a coin or a token during such peaks often have to wait for a long time as the price retraces first, it corrects, and then if they're lucky, they can make a profit later when the market picks up again. But not all coins have good fundamentals to go through several cycles of price appreciation. So again, it comes down to research. If you don't want to gamble, stick to the top 5 or top 10 cryptos by market cap. Cryptocurrencies are still in a regulatory gray area in many parts of the world. This can create uncertainty for investors as governments may introduce new laws and new regulations that could impact the value of the cryptocurrencies they invested in. For example, in 2021, China cracked down on cryptocurrencies, causing prices to plummet. It's important to keep up with this latest news and regulatory developments to make informed decisions. Which brings me to the next point. The cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving and changing, so it's important to keep up with the news. This will help you not only to make the right choices and to know what's happening in crypto in general, but it will also mean that you can act fast if there is a danger of some project going underwater. You can exit your positions from that token or coin and relocate the capital to another, more secure or more stable asset. I regularly post market updates precisely for that reason, and also updates about upcoming new releases that can also move the prices. You need to be aware of these things. In conclusion, investing in cryptocurrencies can be highly rewarding, but it is not without risks. Before investing, take the time to do your own research, consider the risks and the potential rewards, and diversify your portfolio. Also, keep in mind that the technology and the regulatory landscape is constantly changing, so stay up to date with the latest news, the latest developments, upcoming new releases, and most importantly, invest only what you can afford to lose, as cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile. So, there you have it. If you take this advice and follow my 10 rules of a careful investor, you are at an advantage to 90% of the crypto investors who, for the most part, jump into random tokens when they see another TikTok or YouTube video influencer tell them that it's a hot property right now, only to see their investment melt away soon after. Don't follow what someone on YouTube or on TikTok said in a video. Too many times these guys are paid to promote certain tokens, or even worse, they do it to push the price up and unload their own bags. Everyone who's big on social media has been caught doing this, from BitBoy and Ivan on Tech to Moon Caro and everyone in between. All the bigger influencers blast sensational content for personal gain. Always do your own research and take the time to learn and understand the cryptocurrency space, so you can avoid the many traps that you will inevitably encounter in your crypto journey. With that said, it's time for me to go. Make sure that you leave a like and a comment below on this video. This helps me reach more people and spread awareness, so do it now. Also, consider subscribing if you're new to this channel. I post 3 times a week to bring you the latest news, reviews, market analysis, and the most easy to follow step-by-step tutorials on everything crypto related. And it's all for free. I'm an early adopter, a crypto millionaire since 2016, so I don't need your money. I never charge for any of my content, and I never will. I dropped the links to all of the crypto services that I'm personally using and that I recommend to you in the description below, so make sure to check them out. And also, while you're here, just pick another one of my videos, and I'll see you there.